Hello, welcome to the Y&A family channel where the food is finger licking good. Today I'm going to be cooking some barbecue chicken. So I have some leg quarters here that I have to get straight. I done washed them and dried them. Now I need to cut into them. Take off that extra fat because we don't need that unless we are frying. Then some still don't want all that extra hanging fat. So how y'all been doing? I'm a little under the weather right now, y'all, so just be patient with me. Get this fat. We definitely do not want that. We're gonna lay this to the side. So I'm gonna be using the Caribbean chicken seasoning.
Can you turn that around for us, please?
The Caribbean chicken seasoning. The roasted garlic with herbs. A little Miss Dash. Some garlic and pepper, and just a little salt. I don't want to overdo it with seasoning because, like I said, it's going to be it's going to be barbecue. So what y'all cooking today? Day Sunday. What is it that you would love to cook? I would like to know. Then we could have broccoli with too. put a little salt in it. Just pat it. I mean, you know, whatever seasoning that you like to use on your meats, you know, that's what you use. Even if it's just salt and pepper. Sprinkle a little of this dash. I mean, garlic. Not garlic salt, y'all. Garlic powder. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more pepper on. Not much. You know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna take me a cup of water and I'm gonna pour alongside the edges. In between. Okay, that's enough water. So now I'm gonna top it off with some Reynolds wrap. And we're gonna stick it in the oven for maybe about an hour. And about 20 minutes. And then I'll see you when we get back. So now the chicken is done, it is time to add the barbecue sauce. Kraft honey barbecue sauce. Generously amount of it. Then we're going to stick it back in the oven until it's soaked nicely in there. And we're ready to eat. Are y'all ready to eat? Y'all ready to eat with us today? Well, I'm sure ready. I'll make sure I kind of get it. Okay, so this time when we put it in, we're gonna leave the runner wrap off. Just give me a minute. Okay, now that our chicken is done, look at it, and it smells so good. The barbecue sauce on it. Look at it. You want to taste? Hot. I'm gonna taste it.
It's good.
You taste all the herbs. Ooh, hot. Yep, that is good. See how it cooked all the way through? That's why it's good to put that little slit in there. Put that little slit to the bone, see? And you'll have no problem. Trust me. Okay?
Yeah, this is really good, y'all. Y'all gotta go try this.
Yeah. Try it. Finger looking good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we have somebody here that's been sampling our food here. And so you eat and tell us how it is.
It tastes good.
Can you look in the camera?
Yeah, it tastes real good.
Well, there you have it. Thank you.
That's good.
You taste the barbecue sauce?
Mm-hmm.
You taste the seasoning and stuff?
All the way through the whole chicken.
Through the whole chicken. Is it too salty or anything?
Just right.
Just right. Well, there you have it. Thank you for joining us today, the A&Y family. And like I said, wait, thank you for joining us today, the A&Y family, where the food is finger licking good.
Mouthful.